Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Moore County and central North Carolina, southeastern Montgomery County and central North Carolina, northwestern Hope County and central North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located from near Pinehurst to Robbins to near Troy, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Biscoe, Whispering Pines, Pine Bluff, Robbins, Foxfire, Candor, and Taylortown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Montgomery, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Raleigh.
Alright, so, if this is your first time seeing this radio on my channel here, well, what am I saying? That probably is. That's because, as of yesterday, or what would be Thursday, June 26th, no, today's the 27th, I had got my 74-100, a version 6 that this is. And here I have it for this WXL70 SVR, for the North Carolina counties of Hoke, Moore, and Montgomery. Montgomery County being a WXL70 tone for this as they serve the county. And as you can also see by this and this, that they also activated for WXL70. Now, I originally intended to have my 74-100 be a KJY85 monitor, KJY85 being this.
The pressure was 30.08 inches and falling. At Gastonia, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 92 degrees. At Monroe, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 92 degrees.
But for whatever reason, my 74-100 is extremely sensitive to receiving anything on no water radio that isn't very strong. Oh.
Secured objects. In South Carolina, at Greenville-Spartanburg, with a temperature of 93.
Yeah, so pretty much the best station that this can receive is WXL70, and it being my local station, my first local station, KJY85 being my second.
WXL70 broadcasting Mountain in Ranlo, Carolina. 2.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. Now
Yeah, so pretty much all this could receive is WXL70, despite me originally wanting to get for this to be a KJY85 monitor. I mean, I might not be getting another 74-100, but yeah, my 74-100 and my second ever 74-100, as a matter of fact, since I had previously owned one from 2021 to 2022. And if you've watched much of my channel to know my collection of radios, you may also know that the exact spot that my 74-100 is at was also in the same spot that this 12-249 of mine was at. And that's because I I have my 74-100 there, at least there for now, to replace my 12-249. Especially as this also has a little speaker. But yeah, my new radio for this new alert.